Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing the rest of the Bondo to the car here, and as you see, I put the heavy duty one, and I put it inside with the hose too for where the rivets go. The other thing that I want to do today is I have some tape here, which is the fiberglass one, and what this is gonna do, because I'm not gonna put the deflectors back on, I'm gonna be putting this tape here. So once I put it on top, it has something to grab onto in the center here in the hole. And once I do that, I'm gonna put the Bondo on top and make it flush like if there's nothing here. For that to happen, same thing as last time, we're gonna have to take the tail lights out and the rear bumper. I just came back from the store because I needed some adapters and some Torx bits because I didn't have any. And you need Torx to get these off here for the bumper. I'm gonna get the Bondo ready and then we're gonna just put it on the car. Alright, so I'm gonna put this, I just put this piece of fiberglass tape just on top, just like that. And then once I get the Bondo ready, I'm gonna put it on top, and it's gonna stay here. It's gonna cover the hole as well. People been listening over the world. I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never rated the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Hey, I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Alright, so for the light one, this is a light Bondo. So I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around. Hey, never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down. Hey, I keep on pulling on the gas. Alright guys, so we pretty much got this side done. So as you can see, I put it all the way around, all over the edge here, on the bottom, over here on the side, and on the bottom as well. And I put as wide as possible so it could kind of mold to the car. And I did the same thing over here, all over the tail lights, the rear bumper over here, and the bottom as well. And once it dries up, I'm gonna just go over with a sander and kind of sand it down and smoothing it all out. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I sanded down pretty much this whole thing over here, same thing for down there, and back over here for both sides. And what I did to the gas tank here, I pretty much cut this little square, and I grabbed that fiberglass tape and laid like 2 of them here, and then one on top and another one on the bottom here, and I put Bondo there so the door could open without actually, because it was hitting the fender here, that's why I cut it. So now it opens freely and it's good. And sanded all that down as well, same for down there and in the back. And yeah, we're gonna put more Bondo on top, and I have to sand it more down so it could be really smooth with the body, but that's for another day because it's getting dark. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.